Hi everyone, welcome back to Life Tips special episode, where we share tips to make your life simpler, more organized, and totally stress-free. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite topics, minimalist holiday decor ideas that are not just beautiful, but also budget-friendly. Let's create some holiday magic without breaking the bank. Decorating for the holidays doesn't mean you need to go all out or spend a fortune. Minimalist decor is about creating a warm and festive vibe with just a few thoughtful touches. Here are some ideas to get you started. Tip 1. Use natural elements. First up, bring the outdoors in. Pine cones, evergreen branches, and even twigs can make stunning decor pieces. And the best part? They're free. Arrange them in a simple vase or bowl for a centerpiece, or tie small bundles with twine to hang as ornaments. This not only saves money but also adds a natural, cozy touch to your space. Tip 2. Repurpose what you already have. Look around your home for items that can double as decor. For example, glass jars can be transformed into glowing lanterns with fairy lights or candles. You can also wrap books in plain paper and tie them with festive ribbons for a chic holiday display. This is a great way to get creative and save money at the same time. Tip 3. Stick to a simple color palette. Minimalist decor often relies on a cohesive color palette. Stick to 2 or 3 colors like white, gold, and green to keep things elegant and understated. A few ornaments in your chosen colors can go a long way. No need to cover the entire tree. This approach makes your decor look intentional and classy. Tip 4. DIY your decor. DIY projects are not only budget-friendly but also a fun way to get into the holiday spirit. Try making paper snowflakes or garlands out of old book pages or scrap paper. You can also create salt dough ornaments with just flour, salt, and water. These handmade touches add charm and personality to your decor. Tip 5. Focus on one statement piece. Instead of decorating every corner of your home, focus on one statement piece, like a wreath, a small tree, or a decorated mantle. This creates a festive focal point without overwhelming the space or your budget. Sometimes, less really is more. And there you have it, minimalist holiday decor ideas that are easy, affordable, and oh so charming. I hope these tips inspire you to create a festive and cozy home this holiday season. If you try any of these ideas, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on living simply and beautifully. Until next time, happy organizing and happy holidays.